So in this video, we're going to be looking at common factors we might see when we're factorizing quadratics. So I'm going to be looking at three. So the first is going to be a squared minus b squared. So this is quite a neat function, an equation, because a squared minus b squared will equal a plus b, a minus b. Now, if we want to prove that this works, we can go a times a, which is a squared, a times minus b, which is minus ab, a plus b, so plus ab, and then minus b squared. Now you might notice that minus ab and plus ab cancel each other out. So we're left with a squared minus b squared. So that's quite a neat factorization trick. We call it the difference of two squares. And it comes up everywhere. We can even see it in a situation like x plus a squared minus x plus b squared. So we could write this as x plus a plus x plus b, and then x plus a minus x plus b. So you see, though long, this allows us to quickly simplify because we're left with 2x. So remember there's a plus here, so we're not multiplying. So x plus x is 2x plus a plus b, and that's multiplied by x minus x, so 0, and then a minus b, because that's negative x, negative b. So that's a quick little tangent, but you see that the difference of two squares is used everywhere. Now, what about squares? So there are equations for perfect squares. Now they will be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So that is your equation for a plus b squared. So that is our perfect square. If we want to test this, we can go a plus b, and solve. So a squared, ab plus ab plus ab, and then b squared plus b squared. So if you remember, FOIL, a times a squared, a times b times a, which is the same as ab, and b squared, which is b squared. So what we then get is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Great. So we know about the positive perfect square, but what about our negative perfect square? That is going to be the reverse, so a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. That's going to give us a minus b squared. We can test this, of course, because that is a minus b, a minus b. A times a is a squared. A times minus b is minus ab. Minus b times a is minus ab. And b times b is plus b squared. So that is going to give us a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Great. So those are some very common equations and factorizations that you will come across. Now, it can really save you a lot of time if you can recognize these and use them. So the difference of two squares comes up a lot, and so do perfect square equations. So we had a look at some perfect square equations in the previous video about factorizing. I hope this has helped. Don't forget to go to the Answer Me website where you can vote for next week's topic. I'll see you then.